Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your PC can't run Windows 11 installation error. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type GP update /force. Copy link from description and paste it. Click download. Extract downloaded file. Copy all files. Open Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Open Sources folder. Paste already copied files. Click Replace the file in the destination. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.